Today we're going to try these two different putties to hold something down on a table. We're going to give it a try and see which one works better. We bought both of these on Amazon and we'll link them below. First one we got was this alkaline, not sure how you say it, but this putty. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to put these under some Lego mats and put them on a desk and see if they will hold for my kids to play Legos. So that will be our test. The other product we got was this Quake Cold Museum putty, so we'll give that a go to see how well it holds. Okay, this is the alkaline sticky putty, and we're gonna put it in the corners. So this is how it comes in the package, and we're just gonna peel a little bit off and put it in the corners. And one in the middle. We'll go ahead and stick it to our desk. Push it down. And you can't really move it unless you move the whole desk, and it stays really well, and then you can just peel it off if needed. So let's do a test. Let's put a little Lego on. You can put pieces on and off. So I'm so far really liking this. It's really easy to just peel off too, and it doesn't leave a mess. The alkaline putty just says put it on the surface, press down, and that's it. It's really stuck. Next we've got the Quake Cold. It comes in this package, just like this. You can see we put the putty on, and we're just gonna go ahead and stick it to the table. And these instructions say push down firmly and kind of give it a twist. So we're just going to kind of twist it. And then it says nudge item at the base to make sure it's secure. So it seems pretty secure. It does move a little bit. It says allow it to set overnight for the best adhesion. Let's test it with our Lego pieces. We can pull them on. It does come off on that corner a little bit. This one's definitely not as sticky right away. You can see it peels off when you try to take the Lego off. This one, you can push the Lego on and off without moving the board. So we'll let this Quake Museum putty hold overnight, and then we'll test it again tomorrow to see if it makes any difference. After 24 hours, we tried it again, and it seems to work a little bit better. Not as good as the alkaline putty, but it does the trick. Thanks for watching Big Al Repairs. Hopefully you subscribe.